Hey YouTube, ODS Repair here, back with another video. I know it's been a while, just been really busy, but let's get right into the video. We have a 13 Ford F-350 diesel 6.7 liter, and I'm going to be replacing the primary radiator. There's a couple screws and clips on top of the grill, and those tabs there to remove the grill. There's one more screw in this really tight spot right under there, as you can see. Lift the fan shroud off the radiator like so, and the radiator should slide up out. Now you guys want to replace the O-rings for the lower and upper radiator hose. Make sure to lube O-rings and any other hose fittings to make sure they slide in easy. That'll wrap it up for this video. Some camera footage was lost, so I didn't get to, show everything, but you guys get the pretty much the gist of it. Thanks guys for watching.